Good day, children. How are you today? I'm glad that you're doing fine right now. Welcome to our English 3 class, Quarter 1, Module 6. I am teacher Precila V. Antopina, your English teacher for today. Here are a few reminders before we will start. Number 1, make sure you have your pencil, paper, notebook, and module with you. Number 2, attend to personal needs before watching the video. It is best to drink, eat, or go to the restroom to avoid any class interruption. Number 3, for the learning facilitator at home, kindly guide your children upon watching this video. Our class for today is here toward achieving learning competency. Use common and proper nouns in a sentence. At the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to: Number 1, identify common and proper nouns in a sentence. Number 2, use common and proper nouns in a sentence. Number 3, construct sentences with proper and common nouns. For your task 1, what you know. Let us try to answer orally the questions to check your prior knowledge from your previous grade level. I will be the one to read the question and you choose the letter of the best answer. Number 1, it is a word or a group of words that is used to name a person, place, thing, or idea. What is it? A. Adjective. B. Noun. C. Verb. Now, let us check your answer. The correct answer is letter B, noun. Very good! Number 2. The name of the province is Davao del Sur. The underlined word is an example of blank. A. Proper noun. B. Common noun. C. Noun. The correct answer is letter A, proper noun. Number 3. Mrs. Nancy Sumagaysay is beautiful. What is the noun in the sentence? A. Beautiful. B. Mrs. Nancy Sumagaysay. C. None. The correct answer is letter B, Mrs. Nancy Sumagaysay. How should be a proper noun be written? A. Capital letter. B. Small letter. C. Bold letter. The correct answer is letter A, capital letter. Number 5. The people in Japan celebrate many holidays. The word holidays is an example of blank. A. Proper noun. B. Common noun. C. Mass noun. The correct answer is letter B, common noun. Great job! I am happy that you can still recall your previous lesson. In the previous lesson, you have understood that words which tell names of persons, places, animals, things, and events are called nouns. In this lesson, you will know the two types of noun, proper and common nouns. For your task 2, what's in Activity 1, Directions, let us read and understand the story carefully. Then, identify and underline the nouns found in the story. The farmer. Mang Efren lives in one of the barangays in Hagonoy. He is a farmer. He has 6 children, namely Maria, Martha, Pedro, Juan, Ben, and Kiko to feed on. That's why he needs to work hard to earn money. He gets up before sunrise while the air is still fresh and cool to work on the field. He leaves the house to go to his farm by walking. As soon as he arrives in his farm, he actively works by plowing, applying needed fertilizers, and pumping. Around 9 o'clock in the morning, he takes a break, changes his wet clothes, and takes his breakfast. At 9:30, he returns to finish his work. In the afternoon, during the hottest hours of the day, Mang Efren takes a rest at the shaded part of the farm. Every late afternoon, he checks and monitors the growth of his plants, while in the evening, he spends his time with his family. After a week of hard work, Mang Efren spends his Sunday with his family and they go to church together. Now, let us underline the nouns on the first paragraph of the story, as well as to check if your answer is correct. Farmer, Mang Efren. Barangays, Hagonoy. Children, Maria, Martha, Pedro, Juan, Ben, Kiko. Money. Very good. Now, shall we proceed to the next paragraph? For the second paragraph, sunrise, air, field, house, farm, fertilizer. Well done! Let's move on to the third paragraph. For the third paragraph, morning, clothes, breakfast, work. Remember, work can be used as a noun or a verb. Another noun, afternoon, hours, day, Mang Efren, farm. Well done! Let us take a look at the last paragraph. In this paragraph, the nouns are afternoon, growth, plans, evening, time, family, week, work, Mang Efren, Sunday, church. You're doing an awesome job! You can really identify nouns in the story. At this point, let's move on to the next activity. Activity 2. Directions. From the story we have read, answer the question below. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Who is the main character in the story? A. Mang Ambo, B. Mang Efren, C. Mang Eddie. The correct answer is letter B, Mang Efren. Very good. Number 2. How many children does Mang Efren have? A. 6, B. 5, C. 4. The correct answer is letter A, 6 children. Number 3. Why does Mang Efren work hard? A. Just to enjoy, B. To earn money for the needs of his family, C. The story does not tell. The correct answer is letter B, to earn money for the needs of his family. Number 4. What day does the family go to church? A. Friday, B. Saturday, C. Sunday. The correct answer is letter C, Sunday. Number 5. Where does Mang Efren sit when he takes a rest? A. Under the tree, B. At the shaded part of the farm, C. On the table. The correct answer is letter B, at the shaded part of the farm. You are doing a great job! Now, let's have the two kinds of nouns. Common noun names a kind or type of persons, places, animals, things, or ideas. It is usually not capitalized unless it begins a sentence or is a part of the title. Proper noun names a particular person, place, animal, thing, or idea and begins with capital letter. Kindly look at the table. Examples. For the first column, we have common nouns. For the second column, we have the proper nouns. Man, Nelson. Teacher, Teacher Pressy. Pencil, Mongol. Doctor, Dr. Juan de la Cruz. Barangay, Sinayawan. School, Sinayawan Elementary School. Task 3, Activity 1. Directions. Identify the nouns in the following sentences. Underline the common nouns and encircle the proper nouns. Number 1. The people in Philippines celebrate many holidays. The answers are: people and holidays are common nouns. Philippines,
proper noun. Number 2, many groups work together to build these giant sculptures of snow. The answers are groups, sculptures, and snow are common nouns. Number 3. Do you recognize any of the statues or buildings? The correct answers are statues and buildings are common nouns. Number 4. Many villages are colorful. The correct answer is villages. It is a common noun. Number 5. Different flowers bloom on different seasons of the year. The correct answers are flowers, seasons, and year are common nouns. You are doing a good job!
Task 3. Activity 2. Directions. Replace the italicized proper nouns in the sentence with common noun. Do this in your English notebook. Number 1. Anna likes to use Mongol in sketching different flowers. Number 2. Angeline wrote the song.
Number 3. Peter plays basketball together with his father every Saturday. Number 4. My youngest brother drinks a glass of Nido every morning. Number 5. I use Colgate in brushing my teeth. Do this in your assigned English 3 class. Please be guided in your class home program that was given to you. Task 4. Directions. Write a sentence using proper and common nouns for the following pictures below. Number 1. Number 2. Do this in your assigned English 3 class. Please be guided in your classroom program that was given to you. For your assessment, directions, choose the letter of the best answer. Number 1. Mr. Steve is a proper noun. Use it in a sentence. Letter A. Mr. Steve plays basketball every Saturday. Letter B. Mr. Steve played basketball every Saturday. Letter C. Mr. Steve playing basketball every Saturday. The correct answer is letter A. Mr. Steve plays basketball every Saturday. Very good! Number 2. Which sentence is correct? A. Parents love to read in the library. B. Aunt loves to read in the library. C. Children loves to read in the library. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is letter B. Anne loves to read in the library. Number 3. Which sentence is correct? A. My book are on the table. B. My book were on the table. C. My book is on the table. The correct answer is letter C. My book is on the table. Number 4. The Methodists quoted a verse from the Bible. Which word can be capitalized? A. Verse. B. Bible. C. Methodist. The correct answer is letter C. Methodist. Number 5. Filipinos live in the Philippines. What is the correct way of writing the italicized word? Letter A, small letter P, H-I-L-I-P-P-I-N-E-S, Philippines. Letter B, big letter P, small letter I-L-I-P-P-I-N-E-S, Philippines. Letter C, big letter P, small letter H-I-L-I-P-P-I-N-E-S, Philippines. The correct answer is letter C. Great job! You answered all the questions correctly. I'm glad that you have learned something new today. Task 5. Enrichment Activity Directions. Write 3 sentences with proper nouns and 2 sentences with common nouns based on the picture below. Write on a separate sheet of paper. Do this in your assigned English 3 class. Please be guided in your classroom program that was given to you. As you are about to wrap up our lesson, remember the 2 kinds of nouns that we have discussed today. Common noun names a kind or type of persons, places, animals, things, or ideas. It is usually not capitalized unless it begins a sentence or is a part of the title. Proper noun names a particular person, place, animal, thing, or idea and begins with capital letter. You really did an awesome job, grade 3 pupils. I am congratulating for a job well done. Before we will end, I'd like to inform you that you have to submit your output online or in school. You have now completed English 3, Quarter 1, Module 6. Thanks for hanging around. We are now completed fun and meaningful learning journey today. Once again, I am teacher Precila V. Antopina. See you again, grade 3 pupils. God bless us all.